Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix a laptop that no longer connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Please subscribe the channel for more useful videos. To solve this problem, for example, this is our Wi-Fi that we want to connect to, but when we try to connect it will give error because we have changed the password. So as you can see, it's taking much time to connect because the password that is associated with this Wi-Fi is changed, and this is the error. So now to solve this problem, click on this Wi-Fi icon, right click on this Wi-Fi name, properties, and here is the old password. Click here to show corrector to see the old password. Now replace this password with a new one. For example, my new password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and click OK. And now if I try to connect to the network, it simply connect. So hopefully this video was useful. Kindly subscribe the channel for more useful videos. Take care.